What's this? Oh shit!
You all right back there?
Oh shit! Oh shit, chat!
That the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to...
Oh, that's lit!
Get to...
Oh,
The ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
oh, that's amazing! Yo, Ratchet and Clank! Oh shit! Oh shit! Body!
Steer this thing.
Ask nicely.
Slow down.
Ask nicely.
Not listening.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
This is already lit, chat.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Jesus.
Where are we?
Beats me.
Your dimensions are breaking. God dang. Woohoo! Yo, this game looks amazing. Yo, Clank got bodied. Clank got bodied.
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet?
Who?
I already see some love scene going on in this fucking game. You already know what's about to happen at the end of the game.
I am from above.
Whew.
Sand shark.
Bodied.
Sand shark. My heroes.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
A very large octopus.
I will never get used to that.
Hey, break reality.
Don't let him get to the boss! Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years?
Body.
Just to try
Woo!
and take over the universe again?
Yeah.
Yo, Ratchet got that move, bro.
He must have more planned than planned.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah, see, they're bringing in really good games right now for PS5. This is what's gonna make people want to get the game. Oh shit. Yo, imagine being able to do those flips consistently in a battle, and that would actually be lit. Bodied.
That's all of them.
The game looks amazing, chat. The game looks amazing. No, any game on PS5 right now looks amazing. I don't think there's a game that's just like, oh, it's just...